Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Changelly on mobile. We currently have our Changelly opened and this is what you'll see once you have your Changelly and you're logged in. Now here is a home page which is the explore page as well. As it's stated, this is where you can explore different cryptocurrencies, different deals. As you can see at the top, there is currently a 75% off deal for Black Friday, and you can see other options for exploration right there. So that's what you can do. Now at the bottom area you can see your watch list, and this is a list of cryptos you might be watching. As you can see, we have Bitcoin, XRP and Solana, and you can tap on them and see more details about them. Now if you look up a little bit just below the search bar, you can see that you can change the filter from all to gainers to losers to popular coins and recent coins. If we switch over to losers, it's going to take us to where we have the top losers for a certain period, and the period is changes for 24 hours at the top right corner. If we tap on it, it's going to switch to changes for 1 week. If we tap on it again, it switches to a month. Tap on it again, it returns to 24 hours. If we tap back at the top left corner of the screen, it's going to take us back to the original Explore page. So this is what you can really do with the Explore page, and as you scroll down, you can see news where you can read about the different information or updates from different platforms and news about crypto stuff. And then of course, as you scroll down, you can see popular, gainers, losers, exactly what we did at the top. But this time you can scroll to look at it, or you could choose the filter right there. Now at the bottom, you have 5 buttons. You have the Explore button, which is the current tab we're on, and then you can tap on History. This will show you a history of your transactions here on Changelly. And then you have the green Transactions button. If you tap on it, it's going to show you 2 or 3 options depending on your location. For our location, we just have buy and exchange. In some other location, maybe yours, you might be seeing sell. And as you know, you can use the sell button if you have it to sell crypto, or you could buy if you'd like to make some purchases. And of course, you could do exchange if you'd like to make an exchange while here on Changelly. You can tap on the X to close that, and then you have support, and then you have settings. If you tap on settings, you can see some options right here. We're currently on the dark mode, and if you look at the second section of our settings panel, you can see language, dark mode, notifications, and then on the third section, you can see frequently asked questions, terms of use, privacy policy, and the app version. Then around the top section, you can see crypto alerts, my addresses, raters, and the referral program. So far, this is what you could do with Changelly. You can make some transactions by tapping on the Transactions button, as we mentioned earlier. Tap on the X to close it, go to the Explore to see details about cryptos you might be interested in. If we tap on Bitcoin, which has been having a low run recently, you can see this is the overview. Then you could tap on News at the top area, tap on Transactions, Alerts, and you're going to see everything right there. Now, once you tap on Overview, this is of course the graph. You could tap on 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, etc. and it's going to help you to see how it's doing. Then of course, if you scroll down, you can see market statistics about Bitcoin, and then at the bottom area, you can see the option to buy or make an exchange. To buy using all these options according to your preference, you'd be able to use Changelly while on your mobile.